Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Royal Match. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Now tap on the pencil icon that you can see in the right hand side of your avatar. Click on the pencil icon once again. Now enter the name that you want to change into. Click on the continue button. You'll have to type your name again, then tap on continue button. Now if you're sure, click on the yes button. So that is how you can change your name on Royal Match. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.